guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is an unboxing video and it's the August YesOhYas bag. I don't have my eyes done because I know there is an eyeshadow palette in here and I wanted to go ahead and do an eye look with it. So it's like a try on first impressions. But yeah. YesOhYas is kind of like a newer subscription brand, not like super new. It's $14.99 plus I think like $3 shipping, but if you use the code YesOhYas, you do get 10% off, and it is for every time. So you don't have to use the code because it automatically renews. So you pay about $17 and you get I think 4 to 7 full-size products. So I mean, I think it's pretty worth it. This is only my second box that I've gotten. I liked last month's box, and I do really like the palette in this one because they do show you sneak peeks on Instagram and stuff. But yeah, so let's just go ahead and open it. And actually I did already open it just to see like what else I got. But I'm only gonna try out the eyeshadow palette on camera. But this month's theme is Cali Love, and this is for the August box, and then you just get all the list of products and the prices, and the retail value for this bag is $94. So let's just get into the unbagging. The first thing I'm pulling out is a crown brush, and this is the ombre angled brush, and this retails for $22, and it says it's a contour brush. I'm actually not gonna try this out because I think I'm gonna throw it into the giveaway that I'm gonna have soon, but that one's really nice. Okay. The next thing I grabbed is by Laka & Co. Cloud Lip, and I think we actually got one of these in our Boxycharm a few months back. The shade that I got is in Shrub. Oh, and it's just a pinky, like a hot pink. I don't know if I want to swatch this. I think I'm gonna throw this in the giveaway too. But it's just like a pinky, I guess it's like that color. I don't know if you can see it. But it's, I think, a matte lip. I'm really not too sure. But that's nice, and that retails for $20. The next thing is by Sormy Treatment Cosmetics, and we did get something in last month's box from this brand, and this is just blotting sheets. So if you're oily, these are really good to have, but this retails for $12, and it's for 100 sheets. So I'll be trying those out. My contour does not look this bad in person, so I don't know what's going on, but I'm hoping it's just this lighting, and that once I have my eyes complete that it'll look better, but we'll see. The next thing I'm taking out is by Masquerade Pre-Party Sheet Mask, and this retails for $12, which is kind of pricey because it's only one. This is the Hydrating Facial Sheet Mask, Pre-Party Prep, Brighten, Prime, and Energize. So I'll be trying this out soon too. I love sheet masks. And the last thing, which is the main thing that I'm excited about, is the Beauty Creations Cali Set palette, and this retails for $28. So it's just a sleeve, and this is what it looks like. Take that off. I don't know if you can see that. It's just a pinky, mauvey, maroony palette. I don't know how to explain it, but it is so pretty. It's already primed. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this first shade called Cocktail and set my primer. There's really not like a light or medium transition shade, but I think I'm gonna take the shade Melrose, which is like this red brown shade, and I'm just gonna lightly put that in my crease. Oh wait, this is not matte. I think this is like a satin shade, so I don't know if I want to do that. I don't think any of these are really matte except for that cocktail shade. whatever. We're just gonna take the Melrose and lightly place it in our crease. Okay, the next shade I want to take is this Valley Girl shade, which is like this pretty maroony purple, and place that in my crease. Oh, that's so pretty. You know what this palette kind of reminds me of? It kind of reminds me of the Anastasia Modern Renaissance in a way. I mean, I wouldn't say it's a dupe for it. So far, they're blending out nicely. I would just need more like transition colors. And I don't have any fallout, which is a good thing. The shade I'm gonna take is Westwood, which is this dark brown shade, and put that in my outer V. I'm gonna go back in with the Valley Girl shade and just blend that out. Okay, so I went ahead and carved out my crease. I think I want to use the shade Calabasas, which is this pinky color. That pinky shade applies so nicely, like it's really pigmented. So I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my eyes off camera, and I'll be right back so we can finish the lower lash line. Okay, so I applied liner and lashes, and now for the lower lash line, I think I'm gonna take Valley Girl and Westwood on the lower lash line. To highlight my brow bone and my inner corner, I'm gonna take that same Calabasas shade very lightly. So this is the eye look with the Cali Set palette from Beauty Creations. I actually really love the way it came out. The dark shade was a little like hard, like it didn't show up right away, but you just have to pack it on and it's fine. But they do blend out nicely. Really, I only like this box for the palette. Like, I think the palette itself is worth it. It does retail for $28 and the bag is $17. So I think you're getting a really good deal. But yeah, I'm gonna try out the face mask and the blotters, and then the rest is gonna go into my giveaway. But yeah, so if you wanna check YesOhYas out, I do have a link down below. And don't forget to use code YAS for 10 to 20% off of your purchase. But yeah, that's gonna conclude today's video. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.